up like tiny moons. Calendar squares all empty. All your clocks still hum at noon. Neon time on the oven blinks the same two numbers back. You open doors, close them slowly. Check the dark for any cracks. Just wait until it asks, are you afraid? You memorize the ceiling, tiny stains you never made. Count the tiles like a mantra, hope the questions start to fade. Your phone lights up then darkens, names that feel like borrowed skin. You say I'm fine to the silence, hear the echo and surrender. Is this it? This thin fluorescent air, breathing in a rented body, trying not to stare at the fact we disappear like steam on winter glass. Is this it? Just wait until it asks, are you afraid? You watch your own hands moving, too aware to call them yours. Mouth forms words like distant weather, breaking on an unseen shore. If nothing really matters, why does every small thing sting? If there's no one keeping count here, why does loss still weigh like rings?